Hello, FCS 2250 Computer Application students. Mr. Lang here, and here it is. Here's my disclaimer that we have our digital and oral communication assignment due here shortly, so please make sure you complete all your requirements. I would get that done ASAP. Please do not wait until Friday. I always get emails on a Saturday, Sunday, or Monday after it's due. Hey, can I submit it here? Can I submit it there? You cannot. So please make sure, if you have not completed it already, that you get that done ASAP for me. All right. Well, then let's go ahead and complete our final PowerPoint exercise number 3 here. PowerPoint section 3, I should say, exercise 2. So we know the routine by now, right? We're going to begin this. We got 9 things to complete. Let's do it. So first of all, we're going to go into slide 1, which we are, and we're going to insert an action button that will advance forward to the next slide when clicked. Second option in the action button section, and then position the action button in the orange square in the bottom right hand corner. So let's go to our insert, 'cause we got to insert something here. And we're going to insert a shape, and we're going to go down to the action button location here, and we're going to choose this one here. And now we have a crosshair, and all we're going to do now is go and click and drag in this location right here. And if you don't get it in there right away, you can always click and drag and move that around. We do have this hyperlink to the next slide, which is good, so we'll click OK to that. And I'll hit my save key there. And we'll choose next. In slide 2, let's get there. We're going to insert word art with the fill lavender accent color to outline lavender accent color to word style third column first row. So we're going to go to our insert here. We're going to go into our text grouping word art. And in word art, we have our, where are we at again? Third column. So third column, first row. So this one right here, I leave my mouse over it. I always like to check my tool tips that appear. Fill lavender, accent color 2, outline lavender, accent color 2. And we'll click that, and there we are. It puts it in. Obviously, you can change your text there. Just wanted us to show how to put in some word art, which is always cool. We'll choose next. In slide 3, let's go there. We're going to change the height of the Marquee Productions to 2 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and double click into here, triple click actually, and we're going to change that to 2 inches. So now that I've selected my word art, you can see that my shape format has appeared. I get a lot of emails, Mr. Lang, I don't have that shape format. I don't have that. If you're looking in your directions here and it tells you to go to the shape format tab, well, where is the shape format tab? I don't see it. Once you activate word art, for example, you then get different options. So I like to triple click in here to get all of that selected shape format there. I'm going to close my answer key here because I need to get over to my height, and I'm going to change this to 2 inches. So I'm just going to highlight that and type 2 on my keyboard. Then I'm going to press my enter key and change that to 2 inches. You can also use your arrows up and down there as well. 4 of 9, we're moving along. Slide 6, let's get there. Scroll down here, get to slide 6. In slide 6, we got to apply the medium style 1, accent 1, table style, second column, first row in the medium section to the table. All right, so we're going to activate the table now. We're going to go to that table design. All right, and we are going to choose the more option in the table sheets group. And we're going to go down to that medium section there, as it says, and we're going to choose this option right here, medium style 1, accent 1. Click it. Sweet. We'll hit our save key, and we are going to move to the next direction here, 5 of 9. All right, in slide 6, we're there. We're going to change the font size of the table to 24 points. This is important. Now, if you recall, I just clicked on this to activate the table last time. I need to select it all. So I'm going to click in this cell here and click and drag through. So I select the entire, all the cells in here, not just the table itself. I'll go to my home ribbon here, and I'm going to increase this to 24 points. Very important. You can't just increase one of the cells. So, for example, I just can't increase these cells to a certain size. I have to activate the entire table there. So click and drag through those. This needs to be 24. All right, I'll hit save on that and choose next. In slide 7, let's get there. We are going to type financial in that top arrow. So I'm going to click on the arrow once to activate it, click on it again, or double click in it. Now I have my insertion point. With a capital F, I'll type in financial. Click off of it. There we go. We'll hit our save key and we'll move on to 7 of 9. In slide 7, we're going to flip the middle arrow to flip it horizontally. So we're going to go ahead and flip this here. So with this selected, we're going to go to our shape formats. We're going to go to our rotate option and we're going to flip that horizontally. There we are. I'm going to go ahead and hit my save key. And we're moving on to 8 of 9. In slide 8, let's get there. We need to insert a table with 2 columns and 2 rows. So we've got columns here that we can insert. Charts, word art, graphic art, 3D models, all sorts of stuff down here. Smart art graphics, videos. We need a table. So we're going to insert a table. We'll click on that. And we need 2 of 2. 2 columns, 2 rows. Thank you very much. There we are. We'll hit our save key on that. And we're last direction here, 9 of 9. We are going to type streets as the footer text to appear in all slides of the presentation. All right, so here we are. I'm going to deselect my table there. I'm going to go to insert because we need to insert something. And we need to insert in our text group the header and footer. We're going to go ahead and click on footer here. And we will type in the text that we want in our footer. And streets, plural. All right. And we want to make sure we apply that to all of them. All right. So if we apply to all, if you can see over here in the bottom left-hand corner, we have streets. If I click on this one, we have streets there as well. All right. Very well done, everyone. Let's go ahead and check our answers and see how we did. All right, great job, everyone. Very proud of all your hard work on these exercises. Again, you do have your assessments to complete. Please go ahead and complete those assessments. Again, if you have any technical difficulty, please reach out to Cirrus. I think you know how to access it now on our homepage in the Important Links tab. Have a wonderful day. Get that digital neural presentation complete. Can't wait to see it. Have a good one. Go Broncos.